Hello everyone, welcome to Swan channel. See this video fully, subscribe to the channel, share to your friends and give the likes. Now the topic is functions of management. Now the functions of management, we call it as a management process. The functions of management broadly classifies into two divisions. The first function is main function, the other is subsidiary function. Under the main function, we have the first point is planning. So what does planning mean? Planning means it's the main and primary function which is given in the management. It is a constructive view of future needs. What we will be planning, what to plan, where to plan, how to do the work. For example, you want to become a chartered accountant. What you will be doing right from the 11th standard, you will be taking your commerce group. So, in future, you will be well good in the chartered accountant. So, you have to plan from the present activities so that the future needs will be satisfied. That is planning. Look before you leap. Think before you act. So these are the basic props you have learned. So that comes under the planning. Next is organizing. Organizing in the sense the relationship among the members. So you are having a relationship. For example, the employer will have a relationship with whom? The employees. So that says the organization. Next is staffing. Staffing means appointing a right person to a right job. For example, you have started a chartered accountant firm. You need accountants. So the well versed in accountancy, you will be appointing. So the right person to the right job only we call it as a staffing. Next is directing. Directing in the sense guiding, communicating. To whom you are communicating? You are communicating to your employees. The employer used to communicate to the employees by providing the guidance, that is providing the circulars, letters. These all things he will circulate and he guide the employees. Next is motivation. Motivation is very important for an employee. If you want to achieve the goal, someone should motivate you. That is the thing. So to increase the speed of the performance of work, you have to motivate it. The employer used to motivate the employee. Next is controlling, evaluating the performance of the employee. So when they are evaluating the performance of the employee, the employer, what he used to do? He will give the training to the employee. Then last is coordination. Coordination means what? Integration, unification. What you are going to unify? You are going to unify the planning with coordination. Planning with coordination. You are going to integrate the organizing with coordination, staffing with coordination, directing with coordination, motivating with coordination, controlling with coordination. So altogether the coordinating all the functions comes under this category. The next we will go for subsidiary functions. Under the subsidiary functions you have the classification named as innovation. Innovation in the sense new methods, creating the new products, new techniques, that comes as a innovation. Next representation. Who is the representative of the company? Manager will be the representative. So the manager should have a good relation with others. Others in the sense with the co-workers. Then next is decision making. For smooth functioning of organization, we should take a prompt decision at the proper time. The next is communication. Communication is very, very important because you are going to transmit your thoughts, your views, your opinions to your employees. So the employer used to communicate the information to the employees. So this that's all regarding the management function. In next video we will be seeing further topics. Thank you.